fellow students, welcome to our lesson for today. We will discuss about linear correlation analysis. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce myself. I am Rhodesia Gwich Vertical Pangatungan, and I will be discussing this together with my members Napoles Zainel, Mignano Carol, Magabili Jillian, and Montenegro Hazel. Just like us, are you willing to learn and gain answers to your complications? Well, come on and let us see how linear correlation analysis valuable in our daily life and to the hospitality management.
Today's agenda, linear correlation analysis is a statistical method used to measure the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two continuous variables. It helps identify patterns, make predictions, and inform decision-making in various fields such as economics, businesses, and social studies. Learning objectives, expectation, and outcomes. Define linear correlation and understand its significance. Learn how to calculate and interpret the correlation coefficients. Distinguish between positive, negative, and no correlation. Understand the limitation and assumption of correlation analysis.
What is correlation? Correlation measures the degree to which two variables move in relation to each other. It indicates whether an increase or decrease in one variable corresponds to an increase or decrease in another variable.
Now I will give an example. Number of hotel amenities offered versus guest satisfaction ratings. Let us imagine that Hotel A offers 5 amenities. Hotel B offers 8. And Hotel C offers 10. And now let's create the solution to this example. First, we're going to draw the scatter plot. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 5, 7, 8. So this is the number, down here is the number of amenities. And right here is the guest satisfaction score. Out of 10. So it's the Y. Then, as we can see, Hotel A offers 5 amenities, so it will be put it right here. And 8 over 8 right here. And Hotel C is 9 or 10. So you can see that the number of amenities is increasing because of the guest satisfaction. So this is a positive linear relationship. It is positive because the number of amenities is increasing. So next is this is 5. Some or then 6, 8, 9. So, if you're wondering where did we get that, this variable is because we're basing on the scatter plot we created. So, the x is 5 and the y is over here 6. So, we are basing on our scatter plot. So, we are now gonna multiply this 5 times 6 equals 30, and then 8 times 8 is 64, then 10 times 9 equals 90. So, and the next is we're gonna multiply this itself. 5 times 5 equals 25, 8 times 8 equals also 64. 10 times 10 equals 100. I'm sorry. Next is before we proceed, let us add this here. We're gonna add this and will result 23. And also 64, 81, and we're gonna copy 23 here. And then let's add this in total. We have 184, and also this we will add 189. So equals 3, because we have 3 dots here, so this will be 3. Then our summation of x equals 23. Then the summation of y equals also 23. Then summation of x and y equals to 184. Then summation of x squared equals 189. So let us proceed here, writing the persons r equals 2. Find the answer to the solution to our problem. So this is a positive linear correlation.
These are the types of correlation. First, positive correlation. Both variables move in the same direction. As one variable increase, the other is also increase. I will show you the positive versus negative correlation by plotting the scatter plot.
This is the positive correlation of the service training and training hours of the staff. This is the training hours of the staff. So as the training hours of the staff increases, the service rating also increases. So it shows a positive correlation.
Correlation coefficient are a statistical measure from -1 to +1, indicating the strength and direction of a relationship. +1 is a perfect positive relationship, and -1 is perfect negative relationship. 0 is no linear relationship. Example, R is equals 0.85 implies strong positive correlation between cleanliness score and guest return rate. Scatter plot.
a graphical tool to visualize relationships between two variables points from a straight upward line for a positive correlation. Points form a straight downward line for negative correlation.
Calculating correlation, a process of the most common contact of a term, formal and imprecise or short of like of example or SPG. SPG uses as example of data of 10 hotels are showing the start of training use versus of online testing. Limitation of correlation. Correlation does not imply a successful and the primary of might of both visual of outcomes and only for line state line relationships.
Summary. Linear correlation analyzes the direction and strength of linear relationships, measured using Pearson's R ranging from -1 to +1, visualized through scatter plots, and it is useful in hospitality to evaluate service quality and customer satisfaction. Questions and discussion. Do you have any questions about linear correlation analysis? How do you think this can help in managing a hospitality business? Let us hear your feedbacks on our presentation. I hope you learned something in this topic. Thank you so much for listening.